All right, guys, so we are on to the optional problems. So you do not need to complete these if you do not want to, but I would encourage you to follow along if you can. And so we're looking at a problem here that has lots of different pieces in it, and we're going to break it down into its different parts. So what I see here is I see that there's an exponent on the outside of a parentheses. And what I would do is I would first distribute that through the parentheses. Before that, I might also look to see if there's anything I could simplify inside the parentheses, which there isn't. Those things are all different from each other. So I'm just going to focus on distributing. It's kind of didn't look very good there. And so the way that we distribute is that exponent is going to go to each individual thing. So what we'll have here is we'll have 3 to the 5th power. Then we're going to have the x to the 4th to the 5th power. So I'm just going to put this like this for now. And then we have y squared to the 5th power. And so now we're going to simplify each of those parts individually. First, we have 3 to the 5th power. Not 3 times 5, that'd be 3 to the 5th power, which we're going to do on our calculator here. 3 to the 5th power gives us 243. And then we're simplifying the exponents on both sides of the parentheses here using power rules. So x to the 4th to the 5th power, that's x to the 4th times 5. And so that would be x to the 20th. So here we're multiplying those exponents. And then here, 2 and 5, that's going to make 10. All right, so that's how you attack a problem like this. Break it down into its separate pieces, making sure that you distribute an exponent that's on the outside to each piece. If it is on a number, that's just that number to that exponent. But if you have a variable that doesn't have an exponent on it yet, or that does have an exponent on it, you can multiply those two exponents together. All right, so go ahead and try the problem on the right.